This video, I show you how to get free Ethereum by just using your phone, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to get Ethereum by using your phone for free. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. When I say cryptocurrency, majority of you will probably think of Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency today, and the most expensive one too. But did you know that there is another cryptocurrency that many people don't even know about, that is just as good as Bitcoin, but not as popular? It's called Ethereum. It's the second most popular cryptocurrency nowadays. And in this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to get paid in Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency you want, no matter where you are from and what device you have, since this works for both smartphones and laptops and computers. That means you can get paid even if you're at home or not, making this one of the best ways to get paid online. Now, right before I explain you how you can do this, comment down below, "I am from blank, aka your country." In that way, I will know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And don't forget, I'll be giving special bonus tips that will allow you to earn double or even triple more money compared to other people. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. And with all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial. First off, it's worth noting that we will be focusing on Ethereum in particular, but you can literally get paid in any cryptocurrency you want, as I will show you later on in this video. Anyhow, the main platform we will be using today to make money online is this one right here, Lateium.org. Many of you probably have not heard of this site, so let me first explain what it's about. It's a freelancing website very similar to Fiverr.com, a site most of you have heard about. On here you can basically come and work if you want to make money, or you can hire someone to do the work for you if you're either unwilling or simply don't have the skills to do the job yourself and you need someone to do it for you. The big difference between Lateium and the majority of other freelancing websites is that Lateium will pay you in cryptocurrency. So you can get paid for your work in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and much more. I will show you later on all of the cryptocurrencies you can get paid through. By scrolling down a bit, you'll be able to see some of the most popular services that are sought after on this site. You have translation, logo design, article writing, and proofreading and editing. By clicking on this arrow, you will be able to see more services that are popular. So you've got Photoshop editing, transcripts, which in my opinion is one of the best services to offer on sites like these, since it's not that hard. And apart from these, you have many more services. Now, we will be focusing on one particular type of service on this site, and we will be the one to offer it. So yes, you'll be working on this site, but you will not be investing a single dollar into this platform whatsoever, because this is 100% free. I will show you a service literally every single one of you watching this can offer. One that requires no skills, no experience, and that can get you paid quite decent for your work. Now, all you have to do is come back on the homepage and then just click "I want to work" right here. After doing so, enter your email address and just click "Continue" in order for you to sign up. Alternatively, you can simply sign up through your Google or Facebook account or through your Apple ID. From there, simply fill out all the necessary info about yourself, such as where you're from and your full name. And only then will you be able to log into your new account. When you actually log in, this is how everything will look. As you can see, it says here, "Get verified and start working today." And before you all freak out thinking that you have to invest money into this site, which actually not the case, no, you don't have to get verified in order to start working on this platform. It's noteworthy that if you do get verified, chances are you'll be able to make more money. You can see down here how much more you'll make. On average, people that are verified earn almost twice as more money per project they do, and they get hired 3 times as often as people who are unverified. So you can see here that it does make a substantial difference on the amount of money you'll be able to make if you're verified. So I would recommend you do this, work on the site first, earn some money, and then invest into the platform so you get verified. In that way, you can earn more money in the long run. Getting verified now isn't a great idea, since you probably won't have that much money on your hands. So I do recommend that you do it later on. Now, how do you get paid? Well, you can see all that yourselves by clicking on wallet right up here. So take a look at this. Not only you get paid through any of these cryptocurrencies, but you can also get paid in cash. So if you don't like crypto and don't want to bother with it, you can actually get paid in cash from this website. Speaking of, you can see the sheer amount of cryptocurrencies offered, which is amazing to say the least. You have BAT right here, which stands for Basic Attention Token. You then have Bitcoin, of course, and next we've got Bitcoin Gold, Dent, Dragon Chain, and most importantly, Ethereum. Now I won't go in depth with all the cryptocurrencies offered here, you can do that on your own. I just wanted to show you that you can get paid not only through Ethereum, but also through cash and other cryptocurrencies in this website. And with that said, just before we get to the service you want to offer, if you guys are enjoying this video in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. And if we get 2,000 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your home. Now let's get back to the video. So let's get to the service that you'll want to offer. And that service is usability testing. If you click on Find Projects right here, and then select Usability Testing on the left-hand side, you will be able to see all of these people who are willing to pay the likes of you, literally $10 or more for just testing out various apps. For this, you don't need any skills whatsoever. You don't need to be a programmer. They just need everyday people like you and me to test out the apps for them. The reason is that the apps may have bugs, so they need testers to test them out first and see if they're working as intended. And they will pay you for testing them out, as easy as that. In essence, you will get paid for just using apps. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that. It goes to show you why you will want to offer this particular service on Latium. You can be on your phone or laptop, at home or on a bus, for example. You could be traveling somewhere and perhaps you don't have anything better to do. You could just open up your phone, test out some apps and get paid. If you don't have any skills or experience on freelancing websites, then this is one of the best services to offer. It's just all around easy. Moreover, the fact that you can do this on your phone is just as important. It means that you don't need a computer per se. And it also means that you can work, essentially, while you're away from home. Yet another cool thing about being a tester on a freelancing website like Latium. So go out there, register to this site and start making money online today. Now if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover how to earn $91 per hour by just watching videos, which is one of the best ways to make money online.